Hey, welcome back to another Just 15 Minutes. Um, my name is David, by the way, so hello. Hope you're okay. It's been a little while since I've done a proper YouTube video, which I'm just about to explain the reason why, and I feel a little bit guilty because it feels like cheating. Okay, so I've been doing this for about a couple of months now, because let's be fair. You know, everybody's a little bit lazy. I'm included, and realistically, when you create more long form videos, that's fine. There's a bit of work that goes into it, depending on what you're actually talking about or doing. Because I'm from a tech background, it's mostly tech sort of stuff. But I thought, can I merge basically some tech news, some information that comes out, and create YouTube shorts? And there are a lot of these things about, by the way. So the one that I'm using, I'm just telling you this because I've been using it for about 2 months now, I think. Maybe 3, but 2 months for sure. And it works really quite well. I'm not getting millions of views with this, by the way. So it's not a get rich quick scheme. But for me, it was a way of automating, capturing like the latest AI news of low code platforms or AI coding and just AI in general, really. And essentially creating these YouTube shorts in between the time that I'm doing like these types of videos, which is more long form sort of video. So auto shorts, I've got a link below. It is an affiliate link, so don't shoot me. I'm just trying to feed the unicorns with a little bit of extra cash. But if you can sign up for a free account. I'll explain what it does in a second, how you do this to set this up. But I'm just being upfront that yes, there is an affiliate link. And yeah, it all helps, doesn't it? Let's face it. So auto shots, like I say, there are a few, I'm sure, of these things. But it's just that I've had some really good responses with this and how it creates it. So I think it ends up being roughly about 11 or 12 US dollars a month for the full version. There are other plans, as always, and I've got the minimal plan. It isn't the free one. The free one, by the way, it does have the auto shorts watermark on there, which is understandable if it's free. But if you do pay for even just the basic model, you can create what they call series, okay? And as you'll see in a second, there, I've reached the plans. I can only create one series, okay? But what you can see there, I've got, there's all different destinations, which I'll get to in a second. But if I go back to the view there, okay, this is the sort of YouTube video YouTube short that it will create for you. So I'll just play you a little bit just so you can see.
Imagine building powerful automations across your favorite apps without writing complex code. By combining low-code AI tools such as N8N, Zap...
Anyway, you get the idea. It's quite slick, quite well done. But the interesting thing is I haven't had to type any of this in. Okay, I can, and I can change it afterwards, but I'll be honest, I've been a bit lazy in not doing that. And also, I haven't even been doing a thumbnail. It generates one for me. But you could create your own thumbnail, add your own background music. But the initial plan, the not the free one, but the lowest level plan, I think it schedules 2 YouTube shorts a week, I believe. So you can see the next one is going on October the 21st as the time of this recording. But you can see, I'll just go straight down to the bottom because you'll see, look, there's some of the past videos that have been produced. So, well, every couple of days, actually, sorry, it could be. And you can download these, you can edit them, you can do whatever you want. Like I say, I've been a bit lazy in just leaving it as it is. But where you sort of start is you create your account. So I've got a TikTok. I don't think I even use TikTok. Instagram, I don't really use Instagram either. But anyway, but obviously I've got YouTube, which is the just 15 minutes. Okay. But you can link to other destinations as well. And you just need to log in. You just need to log in with your usual sort of log into those platforms. So YouTube visibility, public. TikTok public. You can make them private for whatever reason. You can allow people to comment or not. And then this is where it gets interesting. This is the prompt that I originally had. Create engaging videos about AI low-code platforms, blah, 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 blah. I've got a link because I'm merciless and trying to get, affiliate cash. But hey, aren't we all? But anyway, I haven't really spent a lot of time refining this. I could. In fact, I could actually use AI to go and generate a prompt to say, look, pick up AI platform news over the last week, all of that sort of stuff. I can add, so that's the main thing. That's the prompt. So essentially, you don't have to type this in every week or every day or anything silly like that. Once you've created it, unless you want to go and change it, which I really should. I mean, I've got 3,000 sort of letters that I can use there. So I really should enhance that a bit. But I haven't because I'm lazy. But anyway, the idea is once you've got that prompt, it's on autopilot. It really is. The watermark is just your logo. You can upload a logo, or you can just put some text, like I've just got text for just 15 minutes. The art style is quite interesting. So you've got a lot of these. Now I've got Auto Shorts version 2. There's a Lego version, a comic book. So these are all different things. Photorealism. There's a few of them to choose, let's just say. Okay, so that's quite interesting. So the video shorts will be like that. It'll be in that style. Aspect ratio, because it's a YouTube short, it's already worked that out for me. And subtitle text. Yeah, that's the text on the actual videos there. Okay, so you can change what that text looks like. I just forgot what that was. Video duration is 30 to 60 seconds for a YouTube short, and it's got some background music that you can choose or upload your own. And that's basically all you need to do. So you only really need to do this once, and you do essentially get this publishing every 2 days even on the lowest plan. Okay. I can't remember if it's every 2 days during the week, but anyway, check out the details. But like I said, it generated all this voice script, and obviously it's produced the videos that you've seen there. So all I've had to do really, like I said, is that prompt, which I will expand on, I think, but you don't need to do it every time. So that's the key thing. Once you've set this up and plugged it into your YouTube account or your Instagram or your TikTok or all of them. By the way, each you're allowed to, on the first plan, you can create one series. That's what this is, this series. If you go up to the next plan, you can create a few extra series. But either way, even on the base plan, you can have multiple destinations like I've got, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, etc. So but that's what I've got. It's a bit of a cheat, but then using AI feels like we're all cheating these days, doesn't it, really? So maybe it's just, embracing what's happening. And like I say, for me, it's good because it's I don't have a lot of time. I've got a full-time job. I barely have enough time to do long form videos, but this just fills those gaps for me doing the YouTube shorts. And I was surprised how many, I think a couple of the videos, because I think it mentioned about OpenAI's new agent kit, I think I had over 1,000 views within a couple of days. It's not, that's nothing compared to obviously the Uber YouTubers, but I was still surprised. And it just keeps your posting schedule going on YouTube as well, which I think is quite good. So anyway, if you want to check it out, there is a free version, but like I say, the free version does put auto shorts watermarks over your videos. But anyway, worth a try. Please use the link below in the in the description. It helps. I would do the same to anybody else if they've got an affiliate link. So, if it's something that I want to use. So please follow that link if you're so inclined. And for now, I'm going to leave it there, which is probably the first video I've done that is actually less than 15 minutes. So I hope you're well wherever you are in the world. Have a good day, a good week, and I will catch you on the next one.